How to implement artificial intelligence into your company.
Welcome. I stand before you to discuss artificial intelligence as a technological phenomenon and a transformative force that demands our immediate attention. As we navigate this rapidly evolving market, the strategic implementation of AI is not merely an option but an urgent and critical pathway to innovation, efficiency, and unprecedented growth.
The strategic importance of AI. In this era of rapid technological advancement, AI emerges as a linchpin for securing a competitive edge. It allows businesses to optimize operations, but more importantly, it enables us to personalize customer interactions, an essential aspect of our customer-centric strategies. AI transcends the role of a mere tool for automation. It is the bedrock upon which future business models are being built. A call to action: implementing AI strategically. We must embark on a systematic journey to harness AI's full potential. Rest assured, each step is designed to be manageable and effective, leading us closer to our AI-driven future. Identify business objectives. Begin with a clear vision. Define measurable objectives, enhancing customer satisfaction, reducing costs, or expanding market share. These goals will guide your AI strategies and anchor them to tangible outcomes. Assess your data readiness. Data fuel AI. Evaluate the quality, quantity, and diversity of your data. This assessment will help determine if your data infrastructure supports your AI ambitions or if enhancements are necessary. Build or acquire AI talent. AI demands expertise in data science, machine learning, and software development. Whether cultivating an in-house AI team or partnering with seasoned AI providers, ensure the right people drive your AI initiatives. Choose the right technology and partners. Invest in AI technologies that align with your business needs. This might mean developing bespoke AI solutions or adopting established software. Strategic partnerships can also provide access to cutting-edge technology and specialized knowledge. Pilot projects. Start small. Implement pilot projects that can provide quick wins and allow for iterative refinement. This approach minimizes risk and lays a solid foundation for broader AI integration. Scale with success. Following successful pilots, begin to scale AI solutions across your enterprise. This scaling should integrate seamlessly with your existing business processes and include ongoing training for your team. Monitor, measure, and optimize. Continuously track the performance of your AI systems. Use these insights to tweak algorithms and optimize processes. Measure outcomes rigorously against your initial business objectives to ensure alignment. Navigate ethical and regulatory considerations. Implement AI responsibly. Ensure compliance with all regulations, address potential biases, and maintain transparency in AI-driven decisions to build trust and accountability. Foster an AI-centric culture. Cultivate a workplace that embraces innovation and adapts to technological advancements. Your role in this transition is crucial. Educating your team about AI and involving them in the process can mitigate resistance and foster a more receptive environment for change. Your insights and contributions are invaluable in shaping our AI-centric culture. Embarking on the journey to AI adoption is more than a technological upgrade, it is a strategic imperative. By following these steps, your organization can leverage AI to enhance operational capabilities and secure a formidable competitive advantage in the market.
Let us embrace this transformative journey with strategic foresight and an unwavering commitment to excellence. The future is ripe with possibilities for those who dare to innovate. With AI, we are limited only by the boundaries of our imagination. Let's move forward with courage, creativity, and conviction. However, there are still some considerations about artificial intelligence that I want to talk about in the next chapter.